functions such as average and sum. Our task is to, on this spreadsheet, is to calculate the total number of hours worked by these 5 people, the average number of hours worked, the maximum number of hours worked by any one of these 5, and the minimum number worked by any one of these 5. We're going to do this using sum functions and average functions and total functions. So let's have a look at where we place this formula. So let's select B9, and we'll start with an equal sign because it's a formula. For a total, we're going to sum. Now we can actually manually type the word sum, open bracket. We can highlight the range of numbers, and we can close the bracket. There is one way to do that, and it adds it up. The other way is if you can find this sigma notation called auto sum. So I'm just going to delete that. Now we can highlight these 5 cells and just press auto sum, and it will throw in that formula automatically in here. Good. Let's go to average, and we can select the average is equals, and this is the word average. Now here we've got the word average. We can select that and hit tab key. Now we can type B4, full colon, and B8, or we can highlight the fields. So we want the average from B4 to B8. Hit enter, and it will average out those values. Maximum equals, this time it's maximum, MAX. Well, let's just press max. There's a max there, but there is no maximum. So in fact, it isn't the word maximum, it is just MAX. And we could select that tab. Now highlighting these 5, careful not to include the 80. And we've got the maximum score and the minimum score equals minimum. And you can see minimum here. Hit tab and highlight the ones we want and hit enter. And there we have the values that we're looking for. That's all we had to do for this task. If we want to look at the functions, let's just go up to formulas and hit show formulas, and you can see that those formulas equals the sum, average, max and min. And here's the range of cells. I'll click that again and the formulas disappear. All right, well, thank you for joining us on this session, and I look forward to data analysis 6, which is to do with rounding numbers. Until then, stay happy.